Okay, proceeding further, we come to our next concept, which is planes. Okay, in three-dimensional geometry, we have studied about lines. Now we move to the next concept, and it is plane. Now, what is a plane? First of all, what is a plane? A plane is a surface such that a line joining any 2 points on the surface lies completely on the surface. What is plane? It is a surface such that if you take any 2 points on that surface and you join those 2 points by a straight line, then that straight line completely lies on the surface. Okay, now see, here it is written, a plane is a surface. A surface need not be a plane. There is a bit confusion between the students that a plane and a surface both are one and the same thing. Okay, which is not right. Okay, a plane, it is a surface, but a surface need not be a plane. Let us consider the two-dimensional topic, which is curve. When we say curve, then this is a curve. Again, this is a curve. Both are curves. Okay, but this curve has a special name, which is line. Okay, means a line, it is a curve, but every curve is not a line. If we talk about circle, it is also a curve. If we talk about ellipse, it is also a curve. If we talk about parabola or hyperbola, it is again a curve. ये सब curves हैं, but these are not lines. And if we talk about this, then it is a line. It is also known as curve. Likewise, a plane, it is a surface, but every surface, it is not a plane. Okay. Now see the best example. See this. This is a surface. Now if I consider a point here, if I consider a point here, and if I consider a point here, we are having 2 points. One point is here and other point is here. Okay. If we join these 2 points in this way, the line or the curve will present on this. But if we join it by a straight line, we get a diameter for this. If we join by a straight line, we will get a diameter, but that diameter, that line, that straight line will not be present on this. Okay, so this is a surface. This is a surface. Now coming to surface, what can be the surfaces? Sphere, surface, cylinder, surface, cone, surface, hemisphere, surface. All the outer parts for which we calculate the surface areas. See, what is coming? Surface areas. So those are surfaces. Okay, clear? So please make sure that a plane, it is a surface, but every surface is not a plane. If we talk about this whiteboard, see this. This is the point and this is the point. When we join these 2 points, then clearly the line segment completely lies on this whiteboard. So this is a plane, or we can say this is a plane surface. Okay, clear? So what is plane? A plane is a surface such that if we take any 2 points on this surface and draw a straight line or join them by a straight line, then the straight line completely lies on the surface. Okay, such surface is a plane. Okay, now equation of planes. Planes can be determined if we came to know any three of these. Okay, as you have seen in case of lines, if we know a point from where the line is passing and we know a vector to which the line is parallel, or if we know the direction ratios of the line itself, we can easily find the equation of line. If we have 2 points from where the line is passing, we can easily find the equation of line. Likewise, for equation of planes, these are three conditions. If we come to know any one of these, we can easily find the equation of plane. Now what are these? First one is the normal to the plane. Normal means perpendicular. Okay, normal means perpendicular. The normal to the plane and its distance from origin is given. Normal vector and distance both are from the origin. This normal vector is also from origin and this distance is also from origin. Both the things are from origin. This type of equation is known as normal form. This type of equation of plane is known as normal form. Okay, so in this case, from origin, two things are known. One is the distance of the plane from the origin, and second, the normal vector from the origin. Okay, second, it passes through a given point. It passes through a given point, means plane is passing from a given point and perpendicular to a given vector. Okay, for example, this is the point from where the plane is passing. You can say this whiteboard. Okay, and this is a vector which is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so if this vector and this point is known to us, we can find the equation of this plane. Okay, third one is it passes through three non-collinear points. Now see, if we have three non-collinear points, these are three non-collinear points. Okay, then if you join these three non-collinear points by a line segment, you get a triangle. Now what is triangle? It is nothing but a plane surface. Okay, moreover, from these three lines you can draw a unique circle also, which you have studied in your 10th standard. From three non-collinear points, a unique circle can be drawn. A unique circle passes from three non-collinear points. So again, what is circle? It is nothing but a plane surface. See your coins. What are coins? These are circular in shape, and these are nothing but the plane surfaces. Okay, these are nothing but the plane surfaces. So if we come to know three non-collinear points, we can easily find the equation of plane. Okay, so this is the definition of plane, the difference which states between the plane and the surfaces, and to find the equation of plane we have three different methods. Okay, please note it down.